people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Top Notes by A. My name is Amanda. Today I have 3 Lattafa fragrances that I want to unbox with you guys, do my first impression with these fragrances. These are 3 fragrances and they are from the Abiyedh fragrance line. There are 4 fragrances in that Abiyedh fragrance line, but I was only able to get 3 of them. I bought all 3 of mine from Joma's shop, so I will leave a direct link in the description bar below if they have these 3 fragrances still available. One thing about Joma's shop is that they can send the fragrance to you in about maybe 4 days, or it might take 2 weeks, but then they will let you know. So I just want to put that one out there. You might be expecting your fragrances to come in a week, and it will be 2 weeks, it will be 3 weeks, but they will let you know every step of the way where they are in the processes of your fragrances. But guys, if you guys want to find out the first fragrance that I want to unbox with you guys, that is from the Anna Abiyedh line, is the leather one, and this is a true unboxing course. I'm opening the fragrance like right in front of you. Never opened this fragrance, so this is my first impression of these fragrances. I bought them because I wanted to try another Lattafa fragrance that it's not like Middle Eastern smelling, so I decided to go with these 3 fragrances. Actually there are 4, but I could only find these 3, and I'm getting my testers ready so I can tell you how these fragrances smell. But before I do that, let's cap it again and then show you the bottle. So the bottle is glass, is heavy. I think this is 2.5 ml. It's capped, it's presented really well. The box of the fragrance is just, any regular designer fragrance box. It's not your typical Lattafa packaging, especially the packaging that they have in the Pride line. That is not it. But this one, love the look, is gold. The juice of the fragrance actually complements the name of the fragrance, the leather. It complements it very well. So now let's open it and spray and see what we get. The fragrance notes that I read is that it has juniper berries, it has cardamom, it has leather, of course, it has musk, amber, iris, and ginger and rose. But first impression, what I get the first time I spray this fragrance is the leather. Pure leather. It's like leather. It's like a new boot, like a leather boot. It smells like a leather boot. Not even a new leather boot. Like a leather boot that you've worn maybe 2 or 3 times. That's what it smells like. It smells, I'm not getting any juniper berries. I'm not getting any fruity notes. It's just the leather. It's like the leather hits you and it's musky. It's like leather and musk. Okay. I'm not sure if this is a fragrance I would like. It's on the paper. Let me spray it a little bit in the box. Let me see too. Yeah, leather and musk. That's all I get. Leather and musk. First impression, maybe if it dries down, some of the rose will start to pick up. But right now, leather and musk, and a little bit spicy. It has pink pepper. Yeah, leather, musk, and spiciness. That's all I get. So if you are somebody that loves leather smelling fragrance and musk, this will be a perfect fragrance for you, because it's just leather. It's like new boots, but you've worn it like maybe 2 or 3 times. So it's like fairly used boots. That's what you get. And musk. That's all you get. I move on. So the next one is the poudre, and so let's open the poudre. So everything is packaged the same way, and I have a lot of cleaning to do after I finish filming this, because guys, it's so hard to just get the wrapping off this, but I was able to do it. It's not rocket science. I don't know why I was having difficulty removing it, but this is the poudre, and let's open it. So guys, the poudre, oh, it's more like a rose gold colored juice in here. Oh my god, I like the poudre. I like the look of the poudre, and with the poudre it has vanilla. It opens with white musk. It has vanilla, it has saffron, it has cardamom, it has tonka bean and Gaia wood. Oh, okay. It also has nagamata. I don't know what nagamata means or what it is, but I can definitely tell you that this is rosy. It has a rose note. Oh, and then there is something sweet. Oh, there is something sweet, but not like overly sweet, and floral. Not getting that aromatic, you know, seasoning vibe that you get from cardamom. I'm not getting it, but there is something sweet in here, something floral like rose. And then you're getting that, you know, tonka bean, like that vanilla vibe. It's nice. This one is a nice one, and let's do the box too. So, oh yeah, I like the poudre. There is it's like floral, but not. It's like rose. It's like rose and sweet and dusty. I like this one. Oh my god, I like this one. This one, it's something that I think I can use for the gym, to go to bed with. Oh, I love the poudre. Oh, the poudre is, oh my god, compared to the leather, the poudre is so refreshing, guys. I like the poudre on my skin. Oh, that rose. I didn't read any, when I searched the fragrance notes, I don't know that the nagamata, it's rose. I don't know, but it has something. There is something floral, and I'm saying it's rose, and I'm sticking with it. And it's dusty. It's not powdery. It's dusty. Oh, and it's so good. Oh, I can't stop smelling myself. This is so good. This one is my favorite so far. Like my true first impression. Oh, this is so good. This is so good. This is so good, guys. Oh my god. This is so good. This is fresh and floral and a little sweet and dusty. I love this one. I move on. The last one that I will unbox with you guys is the rouge one, and let's see what the rouge one brings us. So whilst I'm opening the rouge one that is giving me a hard time with the wrap, this one has nashi pear, it has kumquat, it has bergamot, it has caramel, geranium, ambergris, musk, and oak moss. So let's see what this one gives us. Same packaging as always, because they are a collection of fragrances. And then the cap, I think the cap is, rouge is red. The cap is nothing to write home about, but then the spray in the optimizer is where it's at. So yeah, let's get it, and then I'll put a little bit here. But I don't get, okay, wait. A little bit resinous and fruity, fresh from the pear. Oh, I love quam fragrances, but I'm not getting it. But maybe when the fragrance dries down a little bit, I may pick it up. But I'm not getting any quam cuts in here. Let's create a box, guys. I'm not getting any quam cuts, but quam cut. But oh, this is also fresh. It's citrusy. Oh, okay. But not, you know, not overly citrusy, but you get that citrusy vibe in there. Ooh. Musky, a little balsamic that I'm getting. Oh, okay. I don't know if it's coming from the box, but let me do my skin. Oh, okay, yeah. So I'm getting that, you know, a little bit animalic. Ooh, okay. It's a little bit resinous and balsamic. You have that animalic vibe in there. Ooh, it's nice. I like it. I like this one. I like the rouge. It smells like it's red. Oh, I like it. I like this one too. But my favorite is the poudre. But this one is also nice. So for the 3 fragrances that I have from Lattafa, the Anna Abiyedh line, my favorite one of them is the poudre. I love the poudre, love that fresh rose. And I'm sticking with the rose, even though it doesn't list that it has rose. I'm sticking that it has rose. So it's, you know, it's fresh, it's rosy, it's dusty. That is what I'm going with, you know. So first impression, I love this. First impression, this is a love for me. Followed by the rouge one. It's a like for me. I like the rouge one. And then my least favorite one is the leather one. I can't stand that leather and the mask. Ugh. That one is not a favorite, but then I did not put that one on my skin. I'm going to use it. I'm going to use all 3 religiously and then come back and let you guys know what I think about these 3 fragrances. Wow, after I have used it for a little bit. But this is my unboxing, showing you my first impression, what I get from these fragrances. And thank you so much for your support. Thank you for making it this far with me. Thank you for all you do for this channel, guys. Until I see you on another video, stay blessed, smell fabulous, and bye for now.